If you're also planning to buy a new 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range these days, then today's video is for you. Today, we're going to share details about Samsung's latest smartphone, which comes with a 200-megapixel camera and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, all at an incredibly affordable price. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Oxygen Ultra 5G. If you're interested in buying this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll reveal its fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's dive in. Features of Samsung Galaxy Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. When it comes to the display, this stunning smartphone packs a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen, with a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate, for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Additionally, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and vibrant colors for an immersive viewing experience. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this phone is a beast. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, led by a 200-megapixel primary sensor with OIS, for ultra-sharp photos. It's accompanied by 50-megapixel, and 5-megapixel secondary cameras for versatility. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front-facing camera, that'll make your snaps look flawless. Performance. Under the hood, this powerhouse runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring blazing fast speed and seamless multitasking. It also comes with the latest Android 15 OS, so you get all the newest features and optimizations. Battery and charging. Battery life. No worries here, the phone packs a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 125-watt ultra-fast charging, so you can go from 0 to full in no time. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging port, and stereo speakers for an awesome multimedia experience. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $800, making it a killer deal for the specs. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned for updates.